Hi friends, my name is Jamshed. I'm here today to show you how you could install VLC media player in your computer. And this is for Windows I'm going to show you. So let's start. By the way, before I start, VLC media player is one of the best media players. It allows you to play lots of different video or audio kind of different formats. And it's quite convenient to use. So let's start. We're opening browser. Here you are. We type VLC. Oh, I did already type here. We type VLC media player on address bar and we enter. It comes up here like this. Then we simply click on this link, which is official download website for media player, this VLC one. It looks like this, their website. It's free version, you don't need to pay anything for it. And we click on this link here, on this button. Download should start any second. We just wait for it. Yeah, it starts down here, as you see. We just wait a few seconds to be downloaded, the software. Yes, it's been downloaded. Now what we need to do, we just click on it. You select the language you're using in your Windows. I prefer English because my window is in English. And then we just next. Once again next. Again next, and install, and we give it a few seconds to be installed. All done. We just click on finish. We here the boxes are checked already. Allow metadata network access. Also regularly check for update. We say yes, that's perfectly fine. And I close the browser, we don't need it anymore. All yours friend, VLC media player been downloaded and been installed in your computer. I hope it was a little helpful video. Please enjoy your time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.